little bitch to take out, but it came out. See what I get into. Hopefully I don't need to drag. But we shall see. Set the bond, man. Oh, that was easy. Oh, bitch. Ouch. Ouch. First up in there, I guess. Yep. Oh shit. What'd I do? Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, Jesus Christ. This is gonna be a tough one. Maybe put that one on first. And then that one. Dang. Just got the bitch in. Oh my God, what a fucked up angle that is. No wonder this shit doesn't last. Yeah, I think that might be the money. Take these two fucking bolts off. They're on the fucking mount. Let's relieve the pressure. Give me that little lay on here. Ouch. Fuck yeah. Look at that shit. It's like titties, baby. Or dicks, whatever the fuck you're into. Nowadays. Gotta make sure you get everybody. Ooh-wee. See that? Alright. Should loosen up these two bolts. Give me plate here. That went right in. I'm gonna tighten this up, tighten that up, and then these two up. You dirty bitch, take that weave off. Yeah, no, got some bullshit. Husky tools. But you know what? I took out and installed my whole engine on my Jeep. Cheap ass fucking Husky tools. So they ain't that bad. Man, China bullshit. That's right, we are where we are. That's about the torque specs. And there it is. Booyah. Simple as that. Seen a few videos where they just pop it out and pop it in. And I don't know, I guess they bang the shit out of it with their hammer. Well, fuck that. That shit gets enough beating. Figure out these two bolts right here. Loosen these two up. This jiggles. Pop it in, jiggle, tighten that, tighten this, and tighten those, and booyah. I'm out.